Are you looking for an international experience but you don't know where to start? Well, on the API website, there's a tool that can make it a lot easier. If you go to apiabroad.com, on our homepage, you'll see Program Finder. If you click here, it will bring you to a really great resource that can help in sorting through all of the different options. So what you'll want to pay attention to here are these filters: program type, area of study, location, and so on. These will help you to be able to sort through all of the different programs based on different categories that are of interest or important to you. So first, let's look at program type. Say you're really only looking for traditional study abroad programs, you can check that. Area of study allows you to filter based on what you're interested in academically, so you can make sure that the programs you're considering offer courses within your major or minor. You can also narrow by location, and you can select as many as catch your eye. And then session, so say you really only want to go abroad during the fall semester, you can click that. There are a few other filters over here based on different features of the host cities and the cost as well. And then no matter what you filter by, it will pull up a list of programs that meet the requirements that you're looking for. And these all link out to the specific page on the API website about that program. And this is a really great way to start doing more research and learning all about the details of each program. You can see what's included, the dates and fees, the excursions that are included in the cost of the program, the types of classes that you can take, the housing, and more. And then you can always go back to your list. And if you want to save this, you just have to copy the URL. And then if you paste it at any time, it will keep the filters that you put in. So your list of programs that work for you will always be there to go back to if you want to do more research at a later date. Another thing to notice is the chat box in the bottom corner of the screen. If you click on this during API business hours, there's always someone there who's ready to go to answer any questions that you have. So best of luck as you search, and always feel free to reach out to us with any questions or if you need any support along the way. Good luck!